So here we are with ticker symbol GSAT, Globalstar Inc. And as we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all the first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to the channel, Invest for Tomorrow. To all the subscribers, welcome back. And I do want every single investor and viewer to be aware that I have a ticker symbol you definitely won't want to miss, and you definitely want to add it to your watch list if you don't have it already towards the end of this video. Also, for those of you that are interested in knowing what I'm watching, live updates throughout the week or weekly updates, the Patreon link is down below. You can join us in the private community to see what I'm watching and adding to my watch list and what attracted me to those ticker symbols in the Patreon. So the link is down below. So here we are, Globalstar Inc. GSAT stock pumps right back up and then sideways movement. I want every single investor and viewer to notice, if you've been watching several of my videos because you watch for more than one ticker symbol, to be aware that the overall market did this. It pulled down and then it came back up. Now, the reason why it started to come back up is because the Federal Reserve came out and announced, hey guys, we still exist, we didn't disappear, and we're going to try to continue to support the economy, support the market. And it's kind of interesting to me because it brought hope and hype back into the markets, but the overall market is showing otherwise. We really want to pay close attention to what's going on tomorrow and the days to come. Now, because this anticipation started, this momentum could possibly continue, or it could get dragged down tomorrow and continue this downward trend that we were already in over time. And I'm not saying Globalstar itself. I'm saying the overall market, like the S&P 500 index, the Dow, the NASDAQ, all of those then have an effect on the individual stocks. So that's what I'm trying to relay. And I'm just using the overall graph here. But I want us to have a perspective of being prepared if the market continues to pull downwards. So here we are. GSAT, Globalstar Inc. The lowest that it reached was down here at 123. Super important support level to keep in mind moving forward. Now it pulled itself back up and it hit a high here of 183. Super important for the bulls to break through to get one step closer to the 50-day moving average, which is 185. If that gets broken through, we're back into bullish territory. As long as we're below it, we're in bearish territory. So what is our support and resistance? Our support is down here at 158. If that gets broken through, you want to watch how this reacts between this support and the next support, and if the bulls are trying to reappear and bring it back up, or are the bears tearing this one down fairly fast. Now, what do the bulls need to break through to get closer to the 50-day moving average before 183 and before 185? Well, it's this point right here at 179. The bulls need to break through that, turn it into a support, and pull upwards from it. Now, I do want every single investor and viewer to be aware that 179 does not guarantee that the bulls have gained control or that they're going to break through the 50-day moving average. This is just an indicator for us investors to know that the momentum is working its way upwards. And if the bulls can turn it into a support, they can pull away from it, hopefully reaching newer highs, getting closer to the 50-day moving average to ideally cross it and end up in bullish territory. As always, if you found this video helpful and informative, please do so and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on all notifications and not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community. And don't forget to click on the like button to let me know you watched this video. Stay tuned till the end because I have a ticker symbol you definitely want to add to your watch list if you don't have it already. So for everyone that has made it to this point in the video, if you're interested in receiving live updates on what ticker symbols I'm watching weekly or within the week as they come up, you can join us over at the private community and Patreon. The link is down below in the description. And if you can't find it down below, you can come to my main page here of the channel. And right next to the welcome video, the Patreon link should pop up. Now, once you click on it, you will be redirected over to the Patreon page. And this is a community of investors within a financial community that we're going to talk about stocks to add to your watch list. And I will be talking about what attracted me to them and giving you guys updates on what I'm seeing. So if you want to know more information, live updates before anywhere else on any other platform it's talked about, you can join us over in the community here at Patreon. let's go ahead and jump into this chart and see what ticker symbol you guys want to go ahead and add to your watch list. So the ticker symbol here that we want to add to our watch list is ALGM, Allegro Microsystems Inc. This is definitely one I've been talking about since December, and we touched base on it when it was falling. So the last time I talked about it, I touched base on it when it was falling. We caught it right here. The first time we caught it was back here at around $24, almost $25, and it ran up to $34 and some change. I found it interesting that it was pulling back towards the end of January, and we retouched base on it here at this point when it was coming right back up in February, so investors were aware that it's picking up traction. Now, it was going sideways for some time, but from this point to this point, it's been holding up pretty well. Now, the overall market is pulling downwards. I have pulled up here the RSI and the MACD, and since it crossed and it's pulling down, these red bars have been dominating, right? No green bars in the whole month of February. Now, red bars have appeared, so this can continue to pull downwards the blue and orange line, and if it crosses below it, this could continue to pull down. It just broke through the 50-day moving average, so it's something to watch. Now, however it behaves between $28 to $24, if it doesn't break $24, it's definitely going to show some strength, and if it breaks through 24, we've already seen what this stock is capable of, and I believe in a bullish market or a market that's not that turbulent, you know, there is a lot of potential here, especially on what this company focuses on. I definitely recommend doing further due diligence on this one, but if you don't have it already on your watch list, I definitely want you guys to add it on, keep it on your radar, pay close attention to it, and I look forward to seeing investors' sentiment and feedback on this one since I've talked about it, and if you've been watching it since the time it was at 24, or even when we talked about it here again at $30, $29. I look forward to seeing your guys' thoughts and how you feel about this company, because I know that the last time I posted it, a lot of people were doing research and they found this one very interesting. This sector, what it's in and what it does, is pretty impressive. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. Everyone that has made it all the way to the very end of this video, I wanted to take a moment and say thank you. Thank you to all the investors and viewers and subscribers that come across my channel. Even if you're not subscribed, I'm thankful for your support. Even if this is the first video you've ever seen and you've never seen another one, I want to say thank you, because every single person that comes across my channel and at least watch one video, I know that that information, some way, shape, or form, has helped them, or it helps someone else, because sometimes they might not be looking for it, but they find a ticker symbol that may be a friend, a family, someone in their community that is in this ticker symbol looking for more information, and they can share the information and pass it along. So I'm really thankful for all of you guys that share this with your friends and community and continue to pass along the great news or information that's going on with any ticker symbol, and sometimes even the bad news, because some ticker symbols are on their way down and we need to look at certain support levels, or something's going on with direct offerings and so forth. So I really appreciate every single investor that takes the time to watch, comment, and share. I just wanted to do that, and I want to say thank you to every single subscriber. The channel would not be where it's at without your support. So thank you guys so much, and I hope to continue to pass on valuable information to every single investor.